Hello everybody, welcome back. This is part 5 of the Afan Oromo series. Today we are going to start the rules. These are very important rules to write and read Afan Oromo. The first rule is called Gababa Fit Era, which is actually means short and long sounds. So understanding this has a paramount effect on your understanding of reading and writing Afan Oromo. What is actually short and long sound means? This is actually the way we read a sound, whether we stay longer on it or whether we say quickly. This concept is not really clear in other language, for example in English, but I tell you what, when we say a word for an extended amount of time, that is what is called long. When we say it faster, when we stay a shorter time, relatively shorter time on saying the word or the sound, I mean, it's called what is short. For example, when we read the English word is here, short and long. Let's take the long one. We stay on low, long. We don't say long. We say long. That's actually the same as the concept where I'm going to talk to you. Long. In this long word, the low sound is longer. This is the same as short as well. We don't say short. We say short. So we stay a little bit on calling the first sound, show a little bit on it. That is short. When we come to Afan Oromo, that is how we write. Look at these two words, mana. Mana. We don't stay on any of these sounds. Sorry. So both of them are short, mana. When we come to the next one, mana. Now you can see mana, mana. There are two different words. So on the second one, mana. Which one is short and which one is long? Now we can say m is ma is still short, mana na is longer now. You need to understand that concept. Buna, buna, both of them are short. We didn't stay in any of them longer. Buna, that's another word. Buna. Now we stay a little bit saying, reading boo, not buna, buna, buna. The na sound is still short, but the boo actually in the second word is longer. Sana, 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 sana. That's the concept of long and short sounds in Afan Oromo. So when we actually stay on a word, say on a sound, we repeat the vowel that creates that sound. In this case, still we are talking about a sounds. A sound and the u sound actually we have in the case of puna. So when we stay on a sound a little bit longer, that's called a long sound. And when we write it, we actually double the vowel that create that sound. Look at here, laga, laga. I'm talking about this, laga, laga, laga. that there are two different words. Actually, there are lots of words similar to this, which have completely different meanings and completely different pronunciations, what we call in English. That is how we write. There is no arbitrary spelling in Oromo. We write all as per the sound we talk or we read, we speak, and we wrote them, and we wrote is- specifically in one way. There's no other way of writing laga, for example. Laga is always laga. When we say it is laga, and when we read it is also laga. When we write it, there is no other way of writing that. So kuma at both short, lama, gosa, laga, laga, mala, 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 fra, gama, nama, jira. We don't stay on all of this. They're all short. Jara, kuma, fra, sana, kana, ana, a little bit different. Okay, we'll come to this. There's a category of those. Ib, ibba, ibba, this is not ibba, sorry. Ibba, duma, ja. We'll come to that later on. And coming down here, um, bala, this is bala, bala. So, sir, bala, la is longer. Bala. So now ba is longer. In all of this, we find all or part of them are longer. Fula. Don't actually look at the number of vowels there, but try to understand the sound. The sound detects the number of vowels we use. And actually, the number of vowels we use there dictates how we read them. Dina. That's how we stay over that. Dina. It's not Dina. It is Dina. Dula. Suta. Yona. Bala. Jala. Robe. Nyata. Kenya. Ira. So I am trying to help you what long and short sounds in Oromo that creates the long and short rule. If we stay shorter on the sound, that's a short sound, and we only have one vowel. If we stay saying the sound a little bit longer, actually what the sound we hear is the consonant part that creates that sound. Then we double that. Sorry, the vowel part that creates that sound, and we double that vowel as here. Fula, for example, take this fula. So we actually repeating the sound oo, fula. That's why it's double. Fula. These are Oromo words with full meaning. Anyway, we'll come to that when you learn some of the words in the future. So that is what Gababa and Dera rules in Afan Oromo. When we speak shorter, When you speak mana like that, that is a short. That's called all complete short, and that's actually a mixed between or it's mixed of short sound and a long sound. Mostly we find a mixture of long and short sound. We will see most of the words we speak in Oromo are a mixture of those two, and also there are repetitions of a short and a long in the language. I hope you understood this concept. This is a very important. If you don't understand, comment down this video, ask questions, and also uh, repeatedly follow up again and again. And also you can repeatedly listen to this now and again. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.